Erbil did not sleep that night. The skies above the city were filled with the sounds of drone, not aircraft. An Iran-linked umbrella group calling itself the Islamic Resistance in Iraq has claimed responsibility for launching 23 drones towards American-linked sites in Erbil. Now that number alone signals coordination and intent and not a stray or symbolic strike. Welcome to Times XP. Well, the reported target included the US consulate and areas near Erbil International Airport, a strategic location where American forces are present. In the meantime, residents describe hearing multiple explosions through the night as air defense systems activated and interceptors were launched into the sky. Iraqi security sources say that several drones were shot down before impact, but the tensions across the city, it was immediate. It was intense. The group says that the attack was retaliation linked to the reported killing of Iran's supreme leader, a claim that has dramatically raised regional tension. Whether symbolic or strategic, the message is clear. Well, the confrontation is no longer confined to one border. Iraq now risks becoming another active front in a widening conflict. Erbil, located in northern Iraq, has been seen as relatively very stable as compared to the other parts of the country. It hosts American diplomatic missions and international business. Well, the presence of US personnel makes it strategically significant, you see. Following the drone attack, security measures tightened across the city. Checkpoints increased, roads were restricted, and the atmosphere grew visibly tense. Well, the incident also underscores the growing activity of Iran-backed militia operating inside Iraq, many of which function under the umbrella of Popular Mobilization Forces. In fact, some factions within these groups are closely aligned with Iran and possess both rockets and drone capability. Their expanding operation role adds another layer of complexity to Iraq's already fragile security environment. In the meantime, the US continues to maintain forces in Iraq, officially for counter-terrorism and advisory mission. However, in moments of heightened regional tensions, those forces can quickly become direct targets. Drone attacks on American facilities raise the risk of retaliation here, which in turn increases the possibility of further escalation. In fact, reports have also indicated that Kurdish sites in that particular region have faced the attacks, adding to instability. So here we have, ladies and gentlemen, multiple actors with overlapping rivalries and alliances are now operating in close proximity, making the situation highly volatile. Well, the broader concern is that Iraq, which has endured years of conflict and political fragility, it could once again become a battlefield for external power struggles. If retaliatory cycle intensifies, the consequences, ladies and gentlemen, it can extend beyond Erbil, affecting national stability and regional security. Well, the launch of 23 drones, even if many were intercepted, carries significant weight, right? It signals capability, coordination, and willingness to escalate.